everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we have got you some beautiful and gorgeous Dubai gold earrings designs. All these earrings are lightweight and long chain model earrings design. Partywear gold long chain model earrings designs. These earrings are very lightweight and nice to wear grand parties and functions. So I hope if you like these earrings designs, so please do like, share, subscribe our channel. So let's get started. This one is different design of gold earrings, and this one is awesome design of gold earrings with bracelet, and this one is beautiful earrings design, and this one is different design of gold earrings, and this one is lightweight gold round shape earrings with the hanging chains, and this one is cute small earrings design, and this one is a grand party wear gold earrings with the hanging chains, and this one is gorgeous gold earrings designs, and this one is very lightweight gold earrings, and this one is beautiful flower design gold earrings. This one is gold 2 steps round shape earrings, and this one is grand party wear long chain model earrings, and this one is cute flower design earrings. So this is our gold earrings designs ideas. All these earrings are collected from open sources and websites. Thanks for watching.